Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Docentes DigitalesTV. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to say hello in different ways in English. Learning different ways to greet people helps you sound more natural and allows you to start conversations confidently. So, let's go over some common and creative ways to say hello that you can use in various situations. Hi is the simplest and most common way to say hello in English. It's casual, friendly, and can be used with almost anyone. For example, hi. How are you? It's perfect for everyday conversations, whether you're meeting a friend or starting a call with a colleague. Hey is even more informal than hi and is often used with friends or people you know well. For example, hey. What's up? Use it when you want to sound relaxed and approachable. Just be mindful not to use it in very formal settings like business meetings. Hello is a more neutral greeting that can be used in both formal and informal situations. For example, hello. It's nice to meet you. It's slightly more formal than hi, so you can use it when you want to sound polite and professional, such as when meeting someone for the first time. These greetings are based on the time of day and are often used in more formal situations or to sound polite. Use good morning from sunrise until noon, good afternoon from noon until around 6 p.m., and good evening after 6 p.m. For example, good morning. How's your day going, or good evening. Nice to see you. Using these greetings makes you sound respectful and considerate. What's up is a casual and friendly way to greet someone and ask how they're doing. For example, hey, what's up? You can respond with, not much, you, or just hanging out. It's a great way to start a conversation with friends or people you know well. How's it going is another informal greeting you can use instead of how are you. For example, hi. How's it going? It's perfect for asking someone how they're doing in a more casual, relaxed way. You can respond with, it's going well, thanks, or not bad, and you? Howdy is a fun and informal way to say hello, often associated with Southern American English. For example, howdy, partner. Use it when you want to sound friendly and a bit playful. It's not used in formal settings, but it's a great way to add some personality to your greetings. These are casual and friendly greetings that add a little bit of warmth. For example, hey there. How's everything, or hi there. Long time no see. Use them to sound a bit more enthusiastic and welcoming. Greetings is a more formal and unique way to say hello. You might see it in written communication, like emails or letters. For example, greetings. I hope this message finds you well. It's not commonly used in everyday conversation, but it's great for sounding formal and sophisticated. Use this greeting when you haven't seen someone in a while. For example, hi. How have you been? It shows that you're interested in catching up and finding out how things have been for them. You can respond with, I've been great, thanks. How about you? This phrase helps build a connection, especially with people you know well. Use long time no see when greeting someone you haven't seen in a while. For example, hey, long time no see. How have you been? It's a friendly way to show that you've missed them and are happy to reconnect. Use it with friends, colleagues, or family members when you want to express that it's been a long time since you last met. Choose the right greeting for the situation. Use more formal greetings like good morning or hello in professional settings, and casual greetings like hey or what's up with friends and family. Add a question or comment. After saying hello, try adding a question like how are you, or a comment like nice to see you, to keep the conversation going. Match your tone and body language. Use a friendly tone and smile when greeting someone. Your body language can make your greeting feel more genuine and welcoming. Practice different greetings. Try using a different greeting each day to become comfortable with all of them and expand your vocabulary. With these different ways to say hello, you'll be able to greet people in English confidently and make a great first impression. Practice using these greetings in various situations, and don't be afraid to mix them up depending on who you're talking to. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Docentes Digitales TV for more English learning tips and lessons. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Keep practicing and happy learning!